Falaman gone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Momo. If you ain't know, now you know. As you can see by the title, you already know what we're gonna do today. So I'm going to be trying the Popeyes chicken biscuit for the very first time. And also telling you a little story time of how we got robbed, like me and my cousin. Okay. So first, let me just show you the chicken. They didn't even give me no sauce. Like I'm supposed to eat it like that. Smells good though. But anyways, let's get into the video. This video is not going to be very long because this story is not long, right? How am I gonna do this now? Ooh, that's spicy. I'm gonna have to hold it in my hand because right now there's no table here where I am. Okay? So first of all, I don't even, if you know me, you know I'm not a good storyteller. If I reach at the end and I forget something in the middle or the beginning, I'm just gonna say it. Bear with me, okay? So my cousin and I, we were supposed to go meet my grandma in St. Anne's that day, right? And before we left the house, my mom warned us. She was like, don't stop and talk to anybody.
Some part of the video I saw. We were walking and this guy stopped we. And him say, you know, someone know your mother? Well, him said that to my cousin. And me, you know, go say, oh, let me see, what name I can use? Maggie. And he said, yes, a long time I know Maggie, you know. Say, you have some video game when they do a game Maggie. Long time, but Maggie never come pick them up. So him say we follow him now, and we follow him gone.
I don't know if it's because I'm hungry while this tastes so good, but it tastes good. Even without the sauce, busting. I don't like nothing Canada dry. Oh, this not taste bad. Anyways, back to the story. So me and my cousin now follow man gone. We don't know a man from Adams, you know. Follow man gone. So the man reach up at one supermarket now. I don't know what the man think, but the man say me if stay there, so as in me if stay. And him gone with my cousin to go collect the stuff them. So I say, okay, I stand up there wait for them. So now my cousin come back, so I say, you get something them? Yeah, me not. So you get something that me say, no. Lend me your phone. So I say, for what? He say, he want me one call. So I say, okay, me give him the phone. Sorry. So I say, okay, me give him the phone now. Then me still stand up there and wait. Then him come back. Where money the way you have? Give me money. So me give him the money. Him gone back now with the man. So me say, me still there wait, you know. Then him and the man come back and the man start use some excuse. Oh, you have to go somewhere else to go find them. Something like I said, I don't remember exactly what he said. Him have to go somewhere else, go find them and something like that. And the man say, we did young. We were young. I think we just started high school, or it was before we started high school. I don't remember. But the man same have to go somewhere else to get the stuff then. So now we got one next supermarket. They left me, they went inside the supermarket. So at this point he took the money and the phone from my cousin. And I think he left because my cousin joined me, and I was like, where is the dude? So my cousin say he went to get the stuff, he's coming. So me and him did it well excited. We are gonna get game. Then he was game catch me, yes. So anyways, we did it excited. So we said, no man, I know we can't see my come out of the supermarket. I know we can't see my come with the game. I know we said, no, we suppose grandma start call. We suppose the grandmother start call. She can't get what she can't find me. So me I said, no man. So now my cousin say, I think my cousin did go look for him, or him did come back to my cousin and then left again. And then my cousin say him left the money and the phone with the people, you know, the people that might keep bag in front of the supermarket there. So me and my cousin now walk go down there to the and him left the game, them did it too. So me and my cousin go down to the supermarket, and we ask the lady where they there, and we ask the lady. The lady said no man never come, did they come give them nothing to give nobody. So we said no man, he must come, cause him take with phone and him take with money. So he must come here. So the lady said no, nobody no come. And so I asked my cousin, I said, are you sure it's here? So him say yes. We go to the security, we ask the security said no, nobody no see no man no come, did they come leave nothing. I said, Jesus Christ. Whoa. I want this, we got drop in her. Me not even remember, we go back to the spot where we did supposed to meet with grandmother. And when she come here, the grandmother wouldn't even believe what just happened. Somebody robbed we. My grandmother said, what you mean? And we tell her what happened, and she carry over the police station. And the police are asking to describe the man. And when I describe the man to her, she said, you know how long we look for that man there? I said, Jesus Christ. The police say, you know how long we look for that man there? And we are Kingston, the man they come from, and from Kingston them look for him and then can't find him. So it's good for no same day now. I say backside, look how them nearly take we will kill we. I say thank God, because something worse than that could have happened. We could have gone in a taxi with the man. We would have gone in a taxi. I don't think so we would have gone in a taxi with the man. I don't think so. I don't think me would have done that. But me I say something worse could have happened. They get me. Suppose we did have more money than that. I think I did have $1,500, we did have $1,000. Suppose we did have more money than that. Problem. Look how we got follow the man and we don't know man from Adams. Anyways, thank you Jesus. Cause me with my purpose have asked the man. Cause after me really I said, then no me ask him if I saw the person name. I never him tell me the person name. But anyways, I hope this not reach nobody. Guys, warn the kids them before them left the house too, because I make sure sometimes we hear what you say, but we don't really listen. You get me? But anyways guys, that's the end of the video. I didn't even eat much, but let me tell you, if you haven't tried this yet, go ahead and try it. It's so good. So good. Oh my god. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.